What if your home does not feel right? Not because you have too much, but because everything feels the same. A lot of space are not cluttered. They are just flat. Chris had a perfectly styled room, matching tones, clean look, but it felt lifeless until he added contrast, texture, depth. Then everything changed. Warmth comes from contrast, not more stuff. Add texture blankets, rugs, materials. Introduce contrast, light and dark, or soft, or hard. Create a focal point. Give the eye somewhere to land. Layer, do not fill. This is a key principle. Does your space feel flat? What is missing? Contrast or texture? Where could you add depth? Small changes can completely shift how your space feels. Hey, if you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you would click the like button. And if you want to know more about decluttering, you might want to click the link in the description for my book on Amazon, Declutter Without Losing Your Style.